Sped up most of this video because it'd be too long and boring if I didn't. It's about 5 times faster than normal, just to show the process. These were the first pieces I made, and it was an experiment to see how well I could design and make a piece. These are pretty simple. And this is the part that I came up with. They're to hold the J-bolts for the columns. But I had more parts and pieces to make. And these are actually little racks to hold 3 pipes in place so that they're parallel and just the right distance apart to go into the bottom of a box. Okay. Line this thing right up on those slots. You can always check it for square. The reason for those slots is so that I don't have to measure where to put the bend. It's going to be right on those slots every time, and the bends will be an equal distance every time. And voila, 3-pipe holder. Holders shown on the pipe to hold those pipes in the right spot. So I decided to make a couple more brackets that I could hold those pipe holders in place up against the wall, keeping them perfectly perpendicular or parallel with the wall and perpendicular to the floor. So these are what the one cutout made after it's bent. The reason for those slice marks on there is to identify where the bends go. So here's the holdout bracket plus the 3-pipe holder. And here they are put together in place, showing how we use them. And then here's the other bracket, and it's holding the pipes up all together just like you need them. I wanted to hurry and get this video out, so I do have some more to finish, but I wanted to get this online.